Hello and welcome to this new video. This is my showcase video for my pond that I recently built. But there is something you need to be aware of before you do any sort of project that may be near a neighbour's wall, is seek formal permission, because there is an act called the Party Wall 1966 Act, which means you need to get formal permission. Now we've got that out of the way, basically I started off building a pond quite large, and then I decided to shrink it down and incorporate a waterfall into it. So I will show you the pond, and hopefully you know, it's up to you to make your mind up whether you like it or not. So here I've built a small patio with plants that go around with some ornaments, and as you can see we have the wizard there and various plants. Got some nice plastic ducks as ornaments, and you can see the pond there. We've used waterfall foam to incorporate those rocks. The pond depth is about 2 feet maximum, and one level, the main level, is 1 feet deep, and we have a few more ornaments and plants going around it. And then we've incorporated a nice waterfall, cascading waterfall, using one of those Simply Fish waterfall spillways, and obviously we've used a second liner running into the main liner. So we've planted quite a few plants around the pond to try and naturalise it. I've also used quite a few ferns around, including mulching around the pond. The pond is fully rocked in using various types of pebbles, Cornwall pebbles, Scottish pebbles, and multicoloured pebbles. And then obviously obtain some large rockery stones for the main waterfall. And we have a pooling area, a small little bridge to give it a bit of a interesting look, and that's more or less the waterfall from the main viewing area. So here's the main waterfall. What I've done is I've sandwiched a piece of sandstone and a slab of stone in between some framing rocks, and with rocks going around to try and naturalise it. We've got pebbles and large rocks and rockery stones and multicoloured stones to hide the liner that basically runs like that. Same on the other side, it runs down, and then we've got 2 small slabs of flags, you know, broken up flags that run down into the pond. So that's more or less the construction of the pond. This stone and the back stone there is iron ore, very heavy, but it gives it a unique rustic look to it. We've got some granite stone there, and this is sandstone from a local quarry. Thought I'd just show you the spillway box that I've got from Simply Fish. Includes a small sponge, and I incorporated the bag with some filter media, which is biohome and some lava rock. So I just wanted to show you the spillway, show you how that's working. As you can appreciate, it looks quite nice, doesn't it? You've got to make sure the waterfall runs down slightly, and obviously make sure it's fully foamed in. So I just thought I'd give you a wider view of how it looks from the kitchen area, so you get an idea of what it looks like. And it looks quite nice, and it's a nice area to just chill out and listen to the music of the waterfall. So I thought you would appreciate a bit of a closer look of the waterfall and listen to the sound.